Bolise Co Ltd is an Australian-Chinese company in business for over 20 years, which is a high-tech enterprise of pharmaceuticals, cosmetic ingredients, health ingredients, as well as providing customized products, OEM and ODM. Our manufacturing factory has first-class production equipment and strict quality management systems to ensure product quality, which covers an area of 6,000 square meters. Packing workshop covers 1,800 square meters. Laboratory covers 260 square meters. Building area of 1,600 square meters, so that we are sure we are capable of offering you high purity and high performance ingredients you may need, especially in cosmetic and healthcare areas. We signed technical cooperation agreement with 7 universities of Europe, USA, and China, equipped with a set of advanced production and testing equipment to ensure product quality. We will continue to adhere to technological innovation, excellent quality, green and healthy for the benefit of mankind as the operating principles, and dedicate ourselves to research and development and production. Our advantages: source of materials. Our China branch is one of the representatives of the Herbal Materials Association of China, ensuring the best quality of raw materials. Technical support. We cooperate with Sydney University, Melbourne University, the Biology Research Institutes of the Science Academy of China, Beijing University to ensure the quality and advanced technologies. Quality control. All active ingredients must be inspected strictly by HPLC, GC, or UV, ensuring good purity. Quality promotion. Supercritical CO2 extraction guarantees the high purity. Our orientation. Providing safe ingredients for skincare and nutrition products. Our mission. Providing the best product design to customers with high quality raw material. Our values. Innovation, professional, cooperation, win-win. Please feel free to contact us at the website, where we are always been there, and sincerely wish we can fill your demand and be your supporting friend.